and welcome to our documentary video. Can you imagine how noisy and vibrant cars used to be like? They must have been very rigid and uncomfortable to ride. But that wasn't for too long until 1932, when rubber engine mounts were for the first time adapted in auto industry. And of course, that had led to many developments in the future. Nowadays, you can sit very comfortably inside your car without feeling any vibrations either from the engine or the road. How amazing is that? It's almost at 300 km/h, and the car still runs incredibly smooth and silent, with no signs of vibration at all. Thanks to the huge and consistent development in science and technology, which made all of that possible today.
The case study of this documentary video is mainly focusing on car engine mounting. To gain more information about this topic, we decided to conduct a site visit to mechanical workshops. So let's go. Well, you may be wondering what problems a poor mounting would cause.
We can simply define engine mount as element that's responsible of observing disturbance force produced by engine. The function of engine mount is to isolate the disturbance force from being transferred to the supporting structure.
To visualize the differences between high and low engine RPM, we have adjusted the engine into two different settings. The first setting is to decrease the engine RPM to 700, so we can demonstrate how vibrations at this level looks like. You can notice the noise and the high vibration of the stand bar due to the poor idling of the engine. To show you what it looks like at the engine mount, we have stuck a small piece of tape on the engine mount. In the second setting, we increased the engine RPM to 1000, which is the standard for normal cars. You can notice that the noise and the vibration from the stand bar have disappeared due to the stable idling of the engine. We did the same thing at the engine mount, and you can notice now that the piece of the tape is stable as well as the engine mount.
For a simple demonstration of how the damper works, I will show you this. These now are the keys shaking at low RPM, almost a 700 RPM. So what I'm going to do now is to put my hands on the steering wheel, and you will notice that. So as soon as I put my hand on the steering wheel, you can notice that the shaking have totally stopped. And the reason for that is that my body acts as a damper, which absorbs the vibrations from the steering wheel all the way to my body. And that's why the keys have stopped vibrating totally.
At the end of this video, we understand how important the vibration system is to all engines and all the machines. Well, throughout this video, we have touched on the problem of engine mounting, and we made a brief analysis, which it was informative, you guys, and you gained the knowledge. Thank you for watching. We wish you all the best.